Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video I'd like to show you 3 awesome Canva tricks most of you don't know about. And the first trick is a fast way to create your landing pages, to create notebooks and journals for Kindle, Amazon in Canva.com. So let's do is just you can select your line type like this one for example. Okay, perfect. Drag it up here and make a copy of that, Control D, and adjust the interspaces between those lines as you see. Afterwards you have to create a bunch of similar lines, Control D, Control D, Control D. Okay, then you have to select all these lines as you see and go to position and choose tidy up, and you can find all lines are arranged in organized manner as you see to create your landing pages quickly in Canva.com. And the second trick is about to make a gradient background in Canva.com. So if you want to change this color of this background, just head to this color changer, background color, and click over this plus icon, and then you have two options, solid color or a fixed color, one color in this background, or you can select gradient color. So you can insert a lot of colors in the same background in a gradient style. So you can select instead of white, you can change it to red for example as you see, and then you can find your background consists of two colors, gray and red color, or you can change this gray color to another one like green for example as you see. And we can add a third one, like you can make it blue for example as you see. And you can find down below some styles of your gradient like this one or this one, so you can create a radial or a central gradient background that comprises 3 different colors or more as you see. Perfect. It's an amazing trick and update in Canva.com. And the third trick quickly is regarding creating animation video in Canva.com. So here you can insert something like a jumping or animated character. So you can look for something like man running. Okay, and go to graphics and filter to animated graphics only. Okay, and here we can select one of these beautiful graphics like this one, someone rides bicycle. Okay, and that's for this new update and this amazing update in Canva.com. Head to this animate option, and then you can find a new feature and new tool to create an animation. Here you can move your element and your vector anywhere as you like. So we can make it this one steady as you see in one line as you see. Perfect. And therefore you can select movement styles, smooth or steady, and even you can change its speed to make it faster or slower as you want to make an animation video in Canva.com. Done. So as for now you know 3 amazing tricks in Canva.com to help you more in your business, whatever it is. And to the end I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.